Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you different ways you can add text to your video in SHOTCUT. First, add another video track. After adding another video track, open a plain black page or a plain white page. Let's open a black page. After opening a black page, drag it to the second track you create. After that, you go to filters, click on filters to add text to the black page. So search for text, click on text simple. After clicking on that, you cannot edit the text. Let's write how to add text to your videos. In SHOTCUT. As you can see, you can edit the color here, the font color, the outline color, the thickness. You can also change the font of the text, bold, italic. Click on OK. You can see that's number one way to add text to your video. You can also add your text on a white page, and the second way is that you can add text without creating another video track. Let me show you guys. Let's remove this track. After removing this track, okay, let's add a text here. Click on filters, this plus sign, and search for text. Text simple. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe. Let's type kindly subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. After watching this video, you can position it. Let's change the color. Let's use red, or let's use yellow. As you can see, you can also change the font. Let's click on bold. As you can see, kindly subscribe to my channel after watching this video. That's the second way. And again, you can also, you want to position the text maybe at the top right, top left, or down, or left down, and so on. So click on this sign again, add size and position. Size and position. After size and position, you can change, as you can see. Sorry, size and position. Click on the black. Okay, yeah, size and position. Drag it. You can position the text here, as you can see. So let's play the video. That's another way to position your video. And again, there are so many things you can do to edit your video. You can check my channel for more videos on how to use shortcuts to edit your videos on YouTube channel. If you like my content or you gain something from it, please kindly subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.